Hello everyone and welcome to the Mathematiker channel. Let n be an integer number. We want to find the values of n for which n plus 6 would be divisible by 3n plus 8. To answer this kind of question, there is a simple proposition about divisibility that we can use. This proposition affirms that if a, b, and c are three integer numbers, with a different from 0, and a divides b and c, then a would divide m multiplied by b plus n multiplied by c, such that m and n are integer numbers. In fact, this proposition combines two properties, for the same given three integer numbers a, b, and c, satisfying the condition of divisibility. The first property is that if a divides b and c, then a divides the sum, b plus c. And the second property is that if a divides b, then a divides m multiplied by b such that m is an integer number. Now, back to our question, we have 3n plus 8 divides n plus 6. By applying the second property of the mentioned proposition, we find that 3n plus 8 divides 3 multiplied by n plus 6. This means that 3n plus 8 divides 3n plus 18. We also know obviously that 3n plus 8 divides minus 3n plus 8. Now by using the first property of the mentioned proposition, we find that 3n plus 8 divides 3n plus 18 minus 3n plus 8. Which mean that 3n plus 8 divides 10. And as the divisors of 10 are minus 10, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, and 1, 2, 5, and 10, we deduce that 3n plus 8 is equal to either of those numbers. So, we have 8 equations, among which 4 equations, that are marked in red color, do not admit integer solution. As for the equations which are marked in blue color, we would have from the equation 3n plus 8 equals minus 10, n equals minus 6. And from the equation 3n plus 8 equals minus 1, we have n equals minus 3. As for the equation 3n plus 8 equals 2, we have n equals minus 2. And, finally, for the equation 3n plus 8 equals 5, we have n equals minus 1. And those are all the numbers for which 3n plus 8 divides n plus 6. Thanks for watching the video. We hope to see you next time with another interesting question.